Hey, it is Victoria. If you are new to my channel, welcome, and please go ahead and click on that subscribe button. In today's video, you guys asked me, so I am delivering. I am sharing with you all what products I use down there, so stay tuned. Okay, so let's just cut to the chase. I'm not gonna make this video annoyingly long. I just wanna get to the facts and why we're here. So you guys asked what products I use on my V, and we're gonna call it V for the sake of the video. And what I use is a soap by Empress. Let me show you guys. It's by Empress Body. It's Empress Body Sensitive. Now they have different levels. They have sensitive, regular. I choose sensitive because I'm sensitive. So it's the Yoni Sensitive Wash, and it looks like this. Now in some of my previous videos, I suggested that you guys make sure that you use white soaps and soaps that don't have too many ingredients. And that's what I really like about this soap. I mean, it's really simple. It has like very simple ingredients. Let me read it to you. So the only ingredients that is in this soap is Castile soap, chamomile oil, sandalwood oil, rose water, apple cider vinegar, coconut oil, aloe, lavender oil, witch hazel, and vegetable glycerin. That's it. I would whip out another soap, but like to compare the ingredients, but trust me, that's a very short list, and it's all natural and vegan ingredients, certified vegan ingredients. So this is the soap that I like to use. It has this pump here, and I'll give you guys a demonstration of what that looks like. You just want to take 2 to 3 pumps and put it directly in your hand, and you can use this with your fingertips. I like to use my fingertips, and make sure you are only using this on the outside of your V. You don't want to put it inside because the V is self-cleansing. Now if you don't want to use your fingertips, you can also use a washcloth. Again, it's just 2 to 3 pumps, and you just use this on the outside of your V. Do not put this soap inside of your V. What I really love about this product is so amazing is that it doesn't have any fragrances, dyes, parabens. It's GMO free, cruelty free, and it's certified sustainable plant-based ingredients. So I absolutely love this product, and I would totally suggest you guys try it out. I will leave a coupon code in the description box for you guys to try it. Okay, so that's basically how you use it, and what I really like about this wash is the ingredients inside actually helps fight against yeast, bacteria, and odor, everything that I always talk about on this channel. So that's what I really love about this product. It also comes with an elixir, or you can get an elixir. They carry an elixir, I should say, and I like this as well. It's so pretty. Like if I could get a close-up so you can like see the, can you see that? Anyway, so it comes with this elixir as well, and I like to use this after I shower, but you can also use it throughout the day, kind of like as a refresher, which also these ingredients as well are clean and vegan, and they help you with a healthy pH balance, as well as fighting against odor, the bacteria that causes odor, BV, and yeast infections. And there you have it, guys. This is my favorite product line right now to keep my yoni, I like that name, to keep my V or my yoni fresh right now. And again, keep in mind that this is just what I use. I use the Yoni Sensitive Wash, and that's because I'm super uber sensitive down there. But if you're not, they also have washes for normal, as well as if you're pregnant or if you need something in travel size. I'm going to leave a link in the description box with their website so you guys can check it out. Also, I'm going to leave you guys with a discount code so you can use that as well. As usual, guys, please like and subscribe. Also check out my vlog channel called Victoria's House. I will link that in the description box as well, and I'll see you guys in the next video.